Hey guys, Simon here. Today I want to show you a quick introduction into our Llama 2 challenge and what you will expect as a participant. So each participant will find a workspace and a team just like this with a workspace called Llama2 endpoint. So each participant gets their own team, and each team is also equipped with additional credits so you can create multiple workspaces. Once you do start your server, it will first show some loading screen, and then after a few seconds it will show a short error screen. If you now append /docs to it, you will see the endpoint documentation that is provided with this, and you can also interactively try out each endpoint that you have just by editing the JSON file here and then pressing execute. Now, depending on the query, this might take only like a few seconds, or it might take actually a minute, right? Depending on how many tokens it needs to evaluate. Let's try giving it a bit more difficult task. In this case, let's ask it for some boilerplate code. And then for the sake of brevity, I will skip ahead in the video here for a second. But yeah, I mean, basically we'll ask it for some boilerplate code. It takes like 30 seconds to execute this. Let's skip ahead. And here we go. Got some result here. If we scroll down a bit, you will see some code snippets that are formatted in Markdown. In the front end, you could then just nicely format those again based on this provided output. Now, going back into the workspace, let's show you how it's actually set up in here. So there's a directory called models. So we've pre-downloaded a CodeLlama 7 billion instruct quantized model for each team, but you are free to go to Hugging Face and choose any different model. Just download it into that folder and then edit the CI pipeline with the correct model version, and then your endpoint should run with that model. The server configuration can be found in the llama.cpp Python package here under server and then app.py. Here you can change a bunch of configuration to alter how your endpoint behaves. All right. One other thing I wanted to show you, in the CI pipeline, you will see the run stage. And if you click on it, you should also see the terminal output for each request that you send. That can be super helpful for troubleshooting why some of your prompts might not be returning results. You can always come in here and review them. So this one that we tried before returned a 200 code, so that was a good request. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you today. Every team will get their workspace set up like this. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to JD or myself in the Discord community. All right, hope you have fun building something on top of this workspace.